Here's a more zoomed in version of the Conductor 2.0 presentation in MAX, so you can really see what's going on. Let me put this on measure 1, beat 1. Let's turn the audio off and then on. Here's the transport. It could be controlled. The gain can be controlled by MIDI. I'm controlling with a knob on my keyboard here. Musician 1 through 4. I can also do this on the iPad. I'm pressing the iPad for dynamics. All ready. I'll play the line. We can drag and drop from Finder, and it shows up on the iPad and on the Max. We can do individual musicians like this. So if we want one to play softly the line, we can. We can bring in the other one softly like this, or we can just click on this and go through a 3-state. Play, stop, ready. I find that using these is a little bit more direct. Dedicated buttons. Okay, in here, this could be text of anything you want. So if I type something like everyone stand up and swirl one time, then sit down, and I click outside, that'll be the message everybody gets. See here? Okay, if everybody wants to play the background, all play, background. And you can adjust individual dynamics like this. So I hope that illuminates a little bit better. I'm clicking on the iPad now, because so the iPad, you could make one of the musicians be the conductor and then do all this stuff from the iPad. Okay, that's the end of the demo for the Conductor 2.0 presentation. It's a MAX MSP app, including a Mira app that runs on your iPad. Both of these things are going to be available. The patch looks like this, and you'll be able to get the patch and the Mira app, and I will show you how to do it if you sign up for the course. So that's the presentation, Conductor 2.0, in a little larger format so you can see what's happening. I hope everybody enjoys this. Thanks for watching. Please visit us at mazelmusicalarts.org for more information about our courses and workshops, and on our affiliate site at United Institute of Music and Science. Thanks again for watching.